So friends, hello everyone, glad to see you on my channel. Today we have a new video, but I suggest we don't make anything up. Don't come up with any strategies, just take what already works well that you know actually and use it to make money. Today I will show you my trading approach, which I have been using for a long time and can earn steadily and calmly. So let's get started. We move to the broker platform, trading on pocket option. The link will be in the description. So look, today we have a 1 minute expiration time and the initial time frame we will use for analysis is 5 minutes. It is on the 5-minute time frame we will identify all the strong support and resistance levels, find the general trends on the charts and open positions. Let's start with this chart. So look, what we can immediately notice is that we have a downward trend here. The trend is downward because our local lows and local highs are being updated. How did I determine this? We take point A here and point B here and draw a straight line between the 2 points, and accordingly we get the trend. Also, there is a support level here. We see that when approaching this level, the price has repeatedly reacted. And the last such reaction occurred at this point. A reversal happens, the price approaches the main resistance level and a pullback movement occurs. What do we do next? We set and adjust all the required and necessary levels. Here in this section we can take this kind of price channel. Considering we are currently analyzing on a 5-minute time frame, thus when switching to a lower time frame, this channel will be much larger and there will also be more points for opening trading trades. Now we have identified 2 horizontal levels. Let's switch to the lower time frame and take 1 minute. And consequently, as you can see, we just basically need to adjust these levels, essentially setting them based on the minimum and maximum touches, in essence. We perform this procedure in a detailed manner and thoroughly, and we clearly see that the price has reacted multiple times from this level. Now let's carefully open the very first position, not exactly at the best point, but we'll go ahead and open it for a 1 minute buy. So I opened a position here at this particular point in time because we already had a significant reaction upwards from the support level, and the last candle that closed was definitely green. This green candle was simply huge and practically covered its previous movement. That is, 2 red candles. When we open our trade, we typically see a pullback reaction. Overall, this is a common situation when the price often touches an intermediate support and resistance level. This can happen. So this happened to us now, but we will proceed as follows. In the next trade, we will simply double the amount of our initial trade and cover it. For now, we wait for the result. So friends, our first trade has come to an end and it turned out to be a loss. But we don't get discouraged here, we just move on. The trade amount has now doubled, significantly increasing the trade's value, and as part of our strategy, we move on. So friends, let's take this currency pair. Here we switch back to the 5-minute time frame and we start analyzing again. We determine the overall trend on the chart. The trend is clearly visible here. Point A is here and point B is here. We have an upward trend. I really like this movement right now because as we approach this level, we can notice a huge candle wick here. The candle wick is at the bottom. This only indicates that there is buyer pressure in this area. Therefore, most likely I am now opening 2 buy trades of $10 each, or rather 3, to cover the previous loss and come out ahead. We open the trade and are just waiting for the result. So friends, our 3 trades have come to an end. Here we managed to cover and make a good profit, $75 on our balance. We are moving on to the next currency pair. So friends, I suggest we work with this asset. Here we switch back to the higher time frame, taking 5 minutes, and we start analyzing. Here I'll say right away, we are most likely indeed seeing a definite reversal of the overall trend because the price has reached a low and we are seeing this kind of compression at this level. We didn't have a breakout, but there was indeed a reversal, and now we are currently adjusting the level here slightly. Most very likely the resistance level will be in effect right here. Switching to the 1-minute time frame, and from the resistance level we open 2 additional sell positions. We sell because the overall preceding trend was clearly downward, and now the price has just approached the resistance level, from which we are opening a sell position in the direction of the overall trend. So we opened the trade and are waiting for the result. There is a good movement happening right now, and I like it. I hope this continues and we will lock in another profit, waiting for the result. So friends, another trade has come to an end. Here we once again made a good profit. I hope the analysis I provide for you is clear. If it's not clear, write in the comments what questions you have and we will go over them together. But overall, it might seem to you that this trading approach is very simple. And it is indeed very simple because here you are just basically identifying levels, support and resistance levels, and the overall price trend. You should know that if the trend is previously downward, then most likely the price will continue to move down from certain levels for some time, and you need to take advantage of this. I'm not even talking about the moments when reversals occur on the chart, and right here at these positions near the support level we could open buy positions. Since the price has already soared to this level, we opened sell trades and were able to make a profit. So let's move on to the next currency pair. So friends, we are working with this asset. Here we switch back to the 5-minute time frame and start analyzing. Here is a generally good situation. We had a technical analysis pattern forming here, which indeed worked 100%. It's a V-shaped bottom. Look, price movement down, movement up, movement down, movement up, and then a bit of a slight pause, and then a correction, and then the continuation of the overall trend. Here is an excellent pattern that worked out. Now, the pattern no longer affects anything, but it left a significant support level which the price has now approached, and from which there has already been a good reaction indeed in the price chart. That is, the shadow of the candle is at the bottom, indicating buyer pressure in this area because a support level has formed here. So now we will definitely take advantage of this and check if we can absolutely rely on such levels. Let's indeed switch to the 1-minute time frame. We take 1 minute and carefully and strategically open a buy position at this specific point. We don't take much risk. We open a position for $10 and wait for the result. Right now we just opened a test trade to confirm the analysis, so we just wait for the result. So friends, another trade, another profit. We analyzed the situation 100% correctly. I hope everything was clear to you today. If something is unclear, again, write it all in the comments and we will go through it together. My analysis works. Try trading on your own using this analysis. I am sure it will be quite a revelation for you that it really works, because I do all of this right before your eyes without any cuts, editing, and so on. That is, I see the situation and immediately try to analyze it specifically for you. So friends, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.